what are we talking about today?
Where you been at? What's so funny?
Sorry, I'm getting over being sick, but where have I been?
I asked that question.
At home, chilling, working.
Run to your car.
Oh God, the $1 million question: what happened to my car? Okay, we'll tell you a story, and then we're gonna leave it alone. Okay, no more questions about this.
Okay.
So I get home from work one day. I'm a nurse. I work from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. I get home 7 a.m. There was no parking in my usual area, so I parked really from where my apartment was. So I get home 7 a.m. park, went upstairs. I didn't come back down from my car because I slept. I sleep through the day. Then I work again that night, and when I came back outside at like 6:15, around that time, my car wasn't there. So long story short, my car got stolen. I don't need anyone's pity. I don't need anything. You know, it is what it is, and we're moving on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the next plans?
So I'm stuck between getting the F80 and a 911 GT3. And the reason why is because, okay, so I want an F80 because I want to do the engine bay pink. And I don't mean a rose gold. I mean like I want to make it pink, right?
Like a hot pink?
I wouldn't say hot pink. Like, you know that it's like a bubblegum pink or cotton candy pink like my car was.
Okay.
So that's my plan. But the F80s that are for sale right now are overpriced. They're like 40, 50, 60K. I'm not paying that. I'm not paying that. Especially when I could go to the auction and get one for like 10,000. And I'm currently in the process of getting one. So I started at this auction. I think it's called betterbid.com, where anyone can, like the public can like bid on cars.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it was like $400 or $500 that I had to pay to. Is that a boat? They're so loud. A little bitty boat. Now when it comes to the 911, I was just looking and I seen a couple for like in the 180s, and I'm like, I can afford that. I can't afford the like 250s for the 911 GT2, but the 3 I can afford. So, but the 911 it's not a car that you can daily. I drove one for a week, and when you're on the highway, you feel everything. So I might as well just get the F80 first.
So you feel like the GT3 is a race car?
It 100% is a track car. Like, you can't. Well, I know people that drive it every day and have it as a daily, but you mean the cars that I have currently or had?
Like cars that you've driven. Like, well, if you say it feels like a track car, what do you mean by that for people who don't know what a track car feels like?
A track car is like a car that where you can feel the road in the car. Like, you can feel it in the steering wheels. You can feel it where the car vibrates over every little bump, and it just, you feel more of the road. I feel like track cars are, you know, it's supposed to be on a track. It's like a smooth track. Like, I don't know. It's different. I don't think I can compare it to another car because I don't know any other car that feels like that.
So it's a unique feel?
It is a unique feel. But you get tired of it driving on the road every day. I don't think it's like a workout to drive that car daily.
Workout?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you say your plans is trying to get an F80?
Yeah, from auction.
Do you have a timeline for this, or are you just going with the flow?
I don't have a timeline. I wanted to get it before I moved. But I don't need to rush. So all my family members work from home. Literally every one of them, except Lisa. So I have, you know, several cars at my disposal where I don't have to go get a car tomorrow. I'm lucky.
So a lot of people noticed that you kind of took a break from social media. What happened with that?
Well, I post on my stories.
I'm talking about content, not at your personal level.
I mean, what content do you want to see when I don't have a car? I feel like a lot of people follow me for the car content. I don't know.
So you see how you explained that you're gonna get an F80 and things of that nature? Why didn't you document the journey of you trying to get this car? Like how you did what you did with the CS.
Because I feel like I'm not with the CS. I wanted it now. With the F80, it's like more of a chill thing. Like I'm not pressured to get one. You know, like when it comes, it comes. Like.
So what's your next step with content? Are you still gonna
know.
pursue car content, or are you just gonna be doing it as it comes?
I mean, I'm gonna do it as it comes. I'll just document. It just depends on if people want to see my life. I mean, I work a lot as a nurse, 12-hour shifts and 8-hour shifts. So it's 20 hours out of the day that I'm working. Not every day. About three days a week. I work 20 hours.
So you feel like you can't have a balance, or you just feel like you don't have time for it?
It's just what are people gonna want to see? Because all I do is work. I mean, on my days off, I can post stuff, make some content. Body work that needs to be done. That'd be great. If it's just mechanical issues, we'll just fix that stuff and then do an engine swap. Now, what engine? I don't know. Okay, I'm not that far into it yet. But an engine swap for sure. Turbos, upgraded turbos. Over 1,000 safely would be nice.
1,000 horsepower F80. Wow.
That's doable.
I never said it wasn't.
That's doable.
Wow. So do you expect to go to car meets? Are you into the whole?
So I'll go to a
being
car
a
meet.
brand type of thing?
I'll go to a car meet now and then. I don't think to the big ones, like what's the big one?
You mean you rather stuff like Beamer Invasion?
Beamer Invasion, like the big ones. Like
you
I'll
don't
do
like
that.
park and chill type of things?
I feel like those. I've been to so many, and it's like, what's new? Like, what are we doing? Just parking and chilling and what? Like, is there like a new something coming out there? Is there, you know what I mean? Like,
so you feel like there's no value in the building?
not really. Not to have them every single day. Like, no, not every day.
So how you feel about racing?
I love racing. I love speeding, but with the new Florida laws, if you go over 100, you're going to jail.
Right.
So I can't love it unless we find somewhere to go do, like, on a drag strip or something.
Like when you go to Mexico?
They're still in Mexico.
Okay.
They'll find you. Yeah.
Ice.
Well, good thing I'm a legal citizen.
Yeah. What else you want to touch bases on?
I don't know.
Talk about your car, your career, your social media break, and the plans moving forward.
Well, I didn't talk about my career. I just said I'm a nurse.
What do you want to talk about?
Career-wise, I don't know. I want to be the CEO of a hospital soon. Not soon.
So
I give
this
it.
content stuff, as far as the car stuff, it's just a hobby that so happened to blow up.
Yeah, like I didn't expect any of this. I don't even know why people are still following me.
So that's why you kind of like brush it off.
I don't know. Like what do people want to see? Why do they want to see me?
I want to see your car, and then
Yeah, but I don't have one yet. I mean, I'm about to get one soon. I'm not putting a time frame on it. I'm not rushing either. But I do feel pressure from people on social media.
I mean, you kind of got them to that point.
Yeah, like I feel like a lot of pressure. Like, when are you gonna get a car? With like, hold on, give me a break. Let me breathe.
I mean, don't feel pressured. Do it on your own time, then, of course. But people just want to see the journey. They want to feel involved. You created a fan base that was involved in your search for the CS.
Accidentally.
What do you mean accidentally? You posted it. You went on Instagram and hit
I
post.
did, but I was just ranting. I wasn't expecting people to just cling to that.
Oh, you didn't expect your rant to...
Right. I
Yeah,
literally
unison.
was just ranting about trying to get this car that I really like, and
Then it blew up.
yeah.
So again, the biggest question, and maybe the title of the video, now what? Now what? What's the next step?
The next step is to get my F80.
So the next step is getting the car.
Get in the car.
Once you get the car, everything else should just flow to your head.
It should just flow. I have ideas about everything I want to do with the car, and I'm going to do everything myself. Well, of course, with the help of other people. And I think this next car, I still want people to be able to sign the car.
You feel like that's your thing now?
It's a thing now. People like that.
So every car you get, you're going to let them say,
No, whoa.
Yeah, right. I was going to say, what if you get a GT3 RS, right? You rap it, you going to want people signing it?
No, that one, you know what? I probably have them sign on the inside. You call the
Door jams?
panels, like door jams. Yeah.
That's limited. Very limited.
That's fine. Yeah.
So like what, the first 1,000 people or something? The first 100 people?
You gotta be quick.
Wow. Really?
Early bird gets the worm. Yeah. So on the GT3, I'm gonna have the, what do you call them?
Door jams?
Door jams. I'm gonna have that done pink.
Okay.
And you can sign in there. I don't know the color that I want to wrap that car yet.
But you want to wrap the car?
Do you know me?
I mean, can't you get it custom made to a certain color?
Those custom colors are trash.
Okay.
I went on their website and clicked through. No.
Would you want like a rare color? Why do you feel like wrap is better? Okay, let me ask this question. Do you feel like individual colors are better or wrap?
A wrap. Yeah, you can get an individual color, but everyone else that wears a car can get that color too.
But it's limited. Like what? It's like 1 out of 50 or something.
So 50 people can have that color. How many people had my pink wrap? Specifically my pink wrap.
I'm saying 50 people can get your wrap too. They can copy your wrap.
They could, right?
Just like you can copy the color.
Right,
but it's out of those 50 people, it's only 50 people. People can't replicate after the 50. People can replicate your wrap.
I'm sure they could figure out the wrap color and go wrap the car that color. I'm sure they could.
But it's not original.
Doesn't matter.
It's an original.
That's the same thing as my wrap. Yeah, I'm the original person that started it.
But it's a wrap. Everyone can have that. Not everyone can have that color.
Everybody can have that color.
Painted.
It's the same thing.
Wow. Okay.
And the thing is, I can change my wrap whenever I want. Individual color, after like a couple days, okay, now what? Yeah. I want to have a car in Jamaica.
A car in Jamaica?
I want to get a car.
What is your this whole Jamaican thing you got going on?
I'm from Jamaica. What do you mean?
Right, but you want to include like Jamaican side of things.
I'm never gonna forget where I came from.
Okay.
Right? So eventually I'm gonna move back to Jamaica. Or I'll go back and forth. Let's just say. Because I already have a house in Jamaica. I need a car. That is all I got.
Alright, so I feel like you touched bases on everything you needed to talk about. Until next time. Thanks for having you on Dragon Ball Z.
Okay guys, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on social media if you haven't already. That's where I post most of my updates. It's Sushi Chevy on Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, what?
TikTok.
You post on TikTok? That's what I'm asking. Like, wherever you have your updates at, give them that.
I mean, I have started posting on TikTok. Let me tell you my TikTok. Oh shit, my TikTok name was M3CS_sushi. Now I gotta change that. Catch you guys later whenever I'm forced to make another video.